Hi, today's video is about UK theory test questions and answers. Let's start the video. Question 1 of 28. When must you contact the driver and vehicle licensing agency DVLA? A. When you use your vehicle for work. B. When your vehicle's insurance is due. C. When you change your vehicle. D. When you get a parking ticket. Correct answer is C. When you change your vehicle. Question 2 of 28. What does third-party insurance cover? A. Damage to other vehicles. B. Injury to yourself. C. Damage to your vehicle. D. All damage and injury. Correct answer is A. Damage to other vehicles. Question 3 of 28. What information is found on a vehicle registration document? A. The service history details. B. The type of insurance cover. C. The registered keeper. D. The date of the MOT. Correct answer is C. The registered keeper. Question 4 of 28. Your insurer will issue you with an insurance certificate. When must you produce this document for inspection? A. When your vehicle is having an MOT test. B. When buying or selling a vehicle. C. When making a SORN. D. When a police officer asks you for it. Correct answer is D. When a police officer asks you for it. Question 5 of 28. What must you have when you apply to renew your vehicle tax? A. The vehicle's chassis number. B. Valid insurance. C. A valid driving license. D. The handbook. Correct answer is B. Valid insurance. Question 6 of 28. What legal requirement must be met by a newly qualified driver? A. They must have a new photograph taken for their full license. B. They must be accompanied on their first motorway journey. C. They must display green L plates. D. They must have valid motor insurance. Correct answer is D. They must have valid motor insurance. Question 7 of 28. In order to supervise a learner driver, you need to have held a full driving license for the same category of vehicle for at least 3 years. What other requirement must you meet? A. To be at least 21 years old. B. To be an approved driving instructor. C. To hold an advanced driving certificate. D. To have a car with dual controls. Correct answer is A. To be at least 21 years old. Question 8 of 28. What must you check before you drive someone else's vehicle? A. That the vehicle owner has third-party insurance cover. B. That your own vehicle has insurance cover. C. That the vehicle insured for your use. D. That the insurance documents are in the vehicle. Correct answer is C. That the vehicle is insured for your use. Question 9 of 28. What's the legal minimum insurance cover you must have to drive on public roads? A. Comprehensive. B. Third party, fire and theft. C. Third party only. D. Personal injury cover. Correct option is C. Third party only. Question 10 of 28. What's a cover note? A. A document issued before you receive your MOT certificate. B. A document issued before you receive your registration document. C. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. D. A document issued before you receive your driving license. Correct answer is C. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. Question 11 of 28. When could the cost of your insurance be reduced? A. When you're under 25 years old. B. When you complete the Pass Plus scheme. C. When you pass the driving test first time. D. When you wear glasses. Correct answer is B. When you complete the Pass Plus scheme. Question 12 of 28. What's a statutory off-road notification? SORN. A. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle doesn't have a current MOT. B. Information held by insurance companies to check a vehicle is insured. C. Information kept by the police about the owner of a vehicle. D. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle isn't being used on the road. Correct answer is D. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle isn't being used on the road. Question 13 of 28. What's the maximum fine for driving or riding without insurance? A. £500. B. £1,000. C. Unlimited. D. £5,000. Correct answer is C. Unlimited. Question 14 of 28. You've just passed your first practical driving test. What will you have to do if you get 6 penalty points on your license in the next 2 years? A. Retake only your practical test. B. Reapply for your full license immediately. C. Retake your theory and practical test. D. Retake only your theory test. Correct answer is C. Retake your theory and practical test. Question 15 of 28. Who's legally responsible for ensuring that a vehicle registration certificate V5C is updated? A. The vehicle manufacturer. B. The licensing authority. C. The registered vehicle keeper. D. Your insurance company. Correct answer is C. The registered vehicle keeper. Question 16 of 28. For how long is an MOT certificate normally valid? A. 30,000 miles. B. 10,000 miles. C. 1 year after the date it was issued. D. 3 years after the date it was issued. Correct answer is C. 1 year after the date it was issued. Question 17 of 28. When must your vehicle have valid insurance cover? A. Before you can tax the vehicle. B. Before you can make a SORN. C. Before you can sell the vehicle. D. Before you can scrap the vehicle. Correct answer is A. Before you can tax the vehicle. Question 18 of 28. Who's responsible for paying the vehicle tax? A. The driver and vehicle licensing agency DVLA. B. The car dealer. C. The registered keeper of the vehicle. D. The driver of the vehicle. Correct answer is C. The registered keeper of the vehicle. Question 19 of 28. What's covered by third-party insurance? A. Flood damage to your vehicle. B. Fire damage to your vehicle. C. Damage to your vehicle. D. Damage to other vehicles. Correct answer is D. Damage to other vehicles. Question 20 of 28. For how long is A. Statutory off-road notification SORN valid? A. Until the vehicle is used on the road. B. Until the vehicle is taxed, sold, or scrapped. C. Until the vehicle is repaired or modified. D. Until the vehicle is insured and MOTD. Correct answer is B. Until the vehicle is taxed, sold, or scrapped. Question 21 of 28. What do you need before you can legally use a motor vehicle on the road? A. Proof of your identity. B. An appropriate driving license. C. Breakdown cover. D. A vehicle handbook. Correct answer is B. An appropriate driving license. Question 22 of 28. A police officer asks to see your documents. You don't have them with you. How many days do you have to produce them at a police station? A. 14 days. B. 5 days. C. 7 days. D. 21 days. Correct answer is C. 7 days. Question 23 of 28. Your car requires an MOT certificate. When is it legal to drive it without an MOT certificate? A. When driving to an appointment at an MOT center. B. When driving to an MOT center to arrange an appointment. C. To 7 days after the old certificate is run out. D. When driving the car with the owner's permission. Correct answer is A. When driving to an appointment at an MOT center. Question 24 of 28. When should you update your vehicle registration certificate? A. When you pass your driving test. B. When you move house. C. When you have a collision. D. When your vehicle needs an MOT. Correct answer is B. When you move house. Question 25 of 28. What circumstances require you to notify the driver and vehicle licensing agency, DVLA? A. When your health affects your driving. B. When your vehicle needs an MOT certificate. C. When you have to work abroad. D. When you lend your vehicle to someone. Correct answer is A. When your health affects your driving. Question 26 of 28. Your car needs to pass an MOT test. What may be invalidated if you drive the car without a current MOT certificate? A. The vehicle registration document. B. The vehicle service record. C. The vehicle tax. D. The vehicle insurance. Correct answer is D. The vehicle insurance. Question 27 of 28. What does it mean if your insurance policy has an excess of £500? A. You'll have to pay the first £500 of the cost of any claim. B. You'll be paid £500 if you don't claim within 1 year. C. Your vehicle is insured for a value of £500 if it's stolen. D. The insurance company will pay the first £500 of any claim. Correct answer is A. You'll have to pay the first £500 of the cost of any claim. Question 28 of 28. When will a new car need its first MOT test? A. When it's 1 year old. B. When it's 7 years old. C. When it's 5 years old. D. When it's 3 years old. Correct answer is D. When it's 3 years old. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.